be no song without you.
Good morning, Taiwan!
When I'm down and out and feel like there is nothing left for me, you save me.
Morning! Morning! Mommy!
I'd feel nothing without you. Ooh, there'd be no song without you, without you. When I got into a fight and you stood right up for me, you saved me, you saved me.
Hello! Look! Look to... You are reading. I'm singing. Buti nag-i-English on. Hi! Look, day tour. Today. Andun, yung pic...
Yeah, bubble. Yeah, so because they are from the different area, so maybe there's a slightly different tones, but in general we can understand each other. It's just sometimes they use differently. The Taiwanese, for the sweet potatoes, they speak more Taiwanese. Yeah, and for the taros, because when they lost the war, like Chiang Kai-shek, he literally come from Nanjing. I think Nanjing. Yeah, so they speak the Mandarin Chinese. So back that time, when the 1949 they relocated to Taiwan, they picked the Taipei as a settlement. So when you go to Taipei, most of the people they speak Mandarin Chinese. But if you go down to the Taichung and Kaohsiung, most of the people they speak Taiwanese. So like myself, I'm a kid of sweet potato and the taros. In this greater Taipei area, nearly 30% of the population all live here. This area lives about 8 million people. Yeah, and the total population for Taiwan is 23 million. Yeah, Australia. Yeah, it's like 14 times bigger compared to Taiwan, but we share the same populations. Yeah, so now you know how Taiwan is very small, but with a lot of people. And the other city, the second biggest metropolitan city in Taiwan is called Taichung. Yeah, so actually the Pei stand for the north. So Taiwan North is Taipei, and Zhong means middle. So Taiwan's middle is Taichung. So a very famous Taiwanese drink called the bubble tea. Yeah, so which city invented bubble tea? Taichung City. Yeah, so this is the city where invented the worldwide very famous drink is the Taichung. Because in the Taichung, you can see there's a lot gray area. So this area is all like a rice field or tea farms, these kind of things. So the people there are more laid back and relaxed. When you walk in the Taipei city, it's just like all the metropolitan city. Everybody walks in there very fast. And all the living place is very tiny and squeezy. But if you go to Taichung, the city itself is spread out, and then the people out there are more relaxed. So they have a time to create something like a bubble tea kind of stuff.
Some stupid shit, you always reassure me. You save me. Ooh, I'd be nothing without you. Ooh, there'd be no song without you.
short. So if you see there's a red line on the ground, please do not cross the red line. And also beware of the winds. Here very
Hi guys, sobrang lamig dito. Sobra talaga.
You'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing but myself, you are no one else. Thankful you're my day one, thankful you're mine. I got lucky finding you. I won't make the day that I came across you, 'cause when you're with me I don't feel blue. Not a day goes by that I would not redo. Everybody wants.
Yeah, super lamig. Wow! Ayaw ko pa magdala ng jacket. Naku. Ay, oo nga ba?
To love,
Yeah, that's right.
it's easy when you try hard enough. Yeah, that's right. You'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing by myself, you and no one else. Thankful you're.
Ang sarap naman. Wow! Ayan na pala. Napakaganda ng tanawin.
My day one, I'm thankful you're my day one.
Ayun, dito tayo.
When I first met you, it just felt right. It's like I met a copy of myself that night. I don't believe in fate as such, but we were meant to be together, that's my hunch. Everybody wants true love. It's out there if you look hard enough, enough, enough. You'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing by myself, you and no one else. Thankful you're my day one. Hour by hour, minute by minute, I got mad love for you, and you know it. I would never leave you on your own, I just want you to know you'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing by myself, you and no one else. Thankful you're my day one, you'll always be my day one, day zero when I was no one. I'm nothing by myself, you and no one else. Thankful you're my day one, day one, day one.
pineapple cake in the ground. And so this is the hard part of the rocks. And then when the wave hits and raindrops and also the wind erosions, it starts to reveal the next, which is the softer part. This is the
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. That's beautiful, man.
You came into my life with no warning, like a flash of light. And I was doing fine, but as you came in, I watched my future rewrite. I'm not ready, I'm not prepared. I was so steady on my feet, but now I'm up in the air. Yeah, it's just you and me, with the world beneath our feet. We can see from miles up here. We can go all up here. It's just me and you, and we're taking in the view. We can spend the rest of our days way up here. Just me and you. See, I like you a lot, and you make me buzz like an astronaut. These feels I can't shake off. I'm in your orbit, and I will never drop. I'm so ready to take me as I am. You're worth every penny. Yeah, I'll pay all I can. Yeah. It's just you and me, with the world beneath our feet. We can see from miles up here. We can go all up here. It's just me and you, and we're taking in the view. We can spend the rest of our days way up here. Just me and you. I'm not ready, no, I am not prepared. I was so steady on my feet, but now I'm up in the air. It's just you and me, with the world beneath our feet. We can see from miles up here. We can go all up here. It's just me and you, and we're taking in the view. We can spend the rest of Imagine a house way up on a hill, dug in the yard, and trees in the fields. It's next to the water, it's the prettiest scene, with white picket fences on maybe surf green. As wonderful as this all seems, this is beyond our means. It's just a dream. It's just a dream. I can't get you all that stuff, but I can give you all my love, free love, free love. Are the simple things enough? I got to give you all my love, free love, free love, oh free love. Imagine a place where we can be free. There's no one for miles, it's just you and me. We might have kids, maybe 3, but twins could be cool, that would do it for me. As wonderful as this all seems, this is beyond our means. It's just a dream. It's just a dream. I can't get you all that stuff, but I can give you all my love, free love, free love. Are the simple things enough? I got to give you all my love, free love, free love, oh free love. I can't get you all that stuff, but I can give you all my love, free love, free love, free love. Are the simple things enough? I got to give you all my love, free love, free love, oh free love. Is this the future? And where I'm gonna be? Last night it hit me when I had this crazy dream, waking up in your house on a San Francisco street. We tune out all the nasty weather, and it's something funny, you and me. You were intriguing, just looking at a magazine. Like when I first saw you back in 2003.